There's Willow. Who's this guy? King. This is my friend's dog, King. He's a Rottweiler, and he's super cool. He's just too jacked. He weighs as much as I do. Now get out of that hole. Way too jacked and ripped. Work out way too hard. Ah, handsome. He's about 2 years old. He's my friend and his girlfriend's dog, but they're on vacation, so I kind of got to watch them. And the good thing is he has all these woods in his backyard, so I can just walk him back here. And Willow can be off the leash, but not King. Even though he probably would stay close to Willow, but I wouldn't want to. I'd feel bad if he ran off. But Willow, she knows better. She ain't going nowhere. Willow listens very well. Very thick woods back here. These are like four-wheeling trails for the most part. Come on, King, let's get back into the civilization before Bigfoot gets us. Bigfoot's living back here. Look how cool he is. He's a beast. What's going on, King? What are you hearing? Is the predator up in the trees or something? Hey, get out of there. You got to stay on the trail. Willow's like, what the hell are you guys doing? There goes the church bells. I love church bells. And then back into civilization. That's the church over there. I'm not sure what this building is. King, stop pooing. Willow, come this way. I seen a couple baby foxes back here. I always see deer, but I seen a couple baby foxes the one day. It was crazy. Alright, guys. Look at Willow. Come on, Will. So what are you guys doing over there? Oh, King, you okay, buddy? He's cool. You big. You're too big. Alright, guys.